We have no clue, expecting something different, something big.
Maybe there is some movie or maybe some launch. Let's see.
Welcome, welcome, welcome to the celebration of a milestone which is extremely important for us.
Today it's not about something which will unveil, but it is about celebrating something which we have believed in. We are going to be celebrating a milestone that we've got for TVS customers worldwide.
Every customer who rides an Apache is the brand ambassador of the brand Apache. That's the power of Apache.
Motorcycling makes me feel alive. And I think that is really what Apache, TVS Apache stands for, which is to be authentic to racing.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's have the world's first premiere of two Race Laga.
And here we go! सूरज से पहले उठता जा, हवा से बातें करता जा तू। Track हो या life हो, India!
So the campaign film was amazing. I literally got the goosebumps. Beautifully captured. The event really felt like a movie premiere experience. It was too good. Vroom! Race Laga, two Race Laga, two Race Laga, two Race Laga, two Race Laga.